Hi, I'm starting to paint the drawing that I posted in the last video. In architecture, when you paint a building's facade, it's called a rendering. So I'm starting to render the project now. I started by blocking out the colors for the stucco and the windows. I like to add the colors in layers of washes. That way, I can control the intensity of the paint to balance the painting as a whole. This part is not exciting, but it's very important to set up the base. There will be interesting details soon.